Now, the Israel-Iran conflict shows the high vulnerability of oil supply chains from any regional instability in West Asia. The conflict brought Asia's reliance on West Asian oil to the forefront as well. The 12-day war, it laid bare the vulnerable nature of Asian oil buyers and traders. Asia purchases over 80% of the world's crude oil. The conflict around Iran, it's raised concerns about the safety of key shipping routes, including the Strait of Hormuz and the Red Sea. That has affected oil supplies, including Russia and of other countries in the region as well. Critical global oil choke points highlight the strategic nature and vulnerabilities. Disruption in the most vital oil transit choke points in the world usually sends energy markets into turmoil, and these narrow passages, though small in geography, represent massive strategic and economic leverage in geopolitics. The Straits of Hormuz and Malacca alone handle nearly 45 million barrels per day, over 40% of the global seaborne oil trade. In an era of heightened geopolitical risk, monitoring these choke points is critical for energy security, global trade and military strategy. The Strait of Malacca is the busiest oil transit choke point globally. Disruption here could sever energy supplies between the Gulf and Asia, and the Strait of Hormuz is the most geopolitically sensitive choke point. Nearly a fifth of global oil consumption passes through this route. Suez Canal is a vital link between Europe and Asia, and any blockade has immediate repercussions, as shown in 2021. Bab al-Mandeb controls access to the Red Sea, and this route is vulnerable to conflict in the Horn of Africa and Yemen. Danish and Turkish straits have smaller flows but are crucial for Russian and Caspian oil exports. Cape of Good Hope is a costly and lengthy route if Red Sea access is compromised. Panama Canal has limited capacity but is strategically important for transatlantic flows.